Hello crew, I'm all set to keep learning English on my fantastic ship. Look, right here on this map, we've got some questions and answers. Our mission is to find the mistakes and correct them. Are you ready? Let's do it. First challenge. The question is, who does have she breakfast with? And the answer, she has breakfast with her mom. But is everything okay? Something doesn't seem right to me. What is it? Look! I think that there's a misspelling. Can you see where? Yes, I can. Where? Let's put those letters in order. But how can I do it? Parrots, please, can you help me? Thank you. Let me spell that word. W-I-T-H. Yes. Thank you. Now it makes more sense. Pigs. She has breakfast with her mom. Great, goodbye. Second challenge. The question is, where do they have dinner? Where do they have dinner? They have dinner in the living room. Do you see anything? What's wrong? What's wrong? I see it. Yeah. The words living room, they are not okay. No, no, no. Parrots, please, can you come back? Oh no, I think they really left. How can we fix it? Nice! There's an eagle! Eagle, please, can you spell and put the letters properly? Thank you! Okay, I help you. Livingrom. Yes! Thank you, eagle! Goodbye! They have dinner in the living room. Great! And let's do the third challenge. The question is, who do you have breakfast with? And the answer is, we have breakfast with our grandpas. Okay. Is there any error? Where is it? Easy peasy. I saw it. It's our. That is not okay. No, no, no. How can we put the letters properly? Parrots, eagle, they are not nearby. A raven! I think it's a good raven. Raven, please, can you help us? Yes, thank you. O-U-R. Great, guys, we did it.
Compra nuestros cuadernos y aprende desde donde quieras. Tienes un método súper intuitivo y fácil público en nuestra web. Solo tienes que seguir el orden de las imágenes, ver nuestros vídeos donde jugamos con gramática y sobre todo hacer las actividades con nuestro equipo. De esta manera, tus hijos nunca más harán los deberes solo y sobre todo aseguras que aprenden gramática de una manera natural, la mejor manera de practicar inglés desde casa.
Hello little ones, back here working again with basic questions. So let's go for them. Choose and color the correct word and trace over the sentences below. Super. So we have this first question. At what time do you wake up in the morning, or at what do you wake up in the morning? It's totally obvious that this is the right answer. At what time, okay? So I'll go for this purple marker and I will paint. At what time do you wake up in the morning? I wake up maybe at 7 o'clock in the morning, and then on weekends I wake up at 8 o'clock, okay? So wake up in the morning. Great. Now let's go for the second question. How is the nearest grocery store, or where is the nearest grocery store? Okay, grocery store is kind of a supermarket, okay? It's the same. Grocery store and supermarket are the same. So it's totally where, because we are wondering, we want to find out the location. So where is the right one? Where is the nearest? And we trace over. Where is the nearest grocery store? Great. Then let's go for the third question. What is her favorite game, or how is her favorite game? Okay, both are fine, but let's just pick the first one because it's what it makes more sense right now to learn. What is her favorite game? Okay? So here we will get the title, like the name of the game. What is her favorite game? Super. And the last one, what time are you today? Or how are you today? Of course, how, okay? We are wondering about the feelings. How is the person doing? So let's write, how are you today? Great. How are you today? Well done. And now we have enough time to paint the different pictures, and you can do it the way you want. I'll go for the blue. I'll paint the jacket of this pirate. Then in brown, I can paint the pants. And a little bit darker, I'll paint a little bit darker. These boots in here, well done. Then I'll go for his hat with an orange and maybe this red band he has as well. Then let me just see, for the treasure chest, I'll do brown as well, but I'll really press. So I will try to get a super darker color. Well done. And then for the flag, I'll do, yes, I think I'll do blue as well. It's a very pirate color. Blues. And I'll really paint like this. Beautiful, okay? And then you can do the same with the parrot. It's totally up to you. You choose the colors and enjoy the time, okay? Goodbye.